Hey everyone, welcome back to English Dialogue Box. Have you ever gone shopping and ended up buying way more than you planned just because everything looks exciting? In this video, two friends, Ali and Hamza, go to the supermarket to buy groceries, but of course, funny situations happen along the way. From choosing the right tomatoes to survival-level snack emergencies, their conversation is full of humor, jokes, and real-life banter. This is a long, natural English conversation with easy words and sentences, perfect for beginners who want to practice listening, speaking, and learning daily English. You'll learn how to talk about groceries, vocabulary for supermarket shopping, friendly banter and polite humor, and real-life conversation flow. So grab a notebook, relax, and join Ali and Hamza in their supermarket adventure while improving your English in a fun way.
Hamza, the supermarket is huge. I feel like I need a map, a compass, and maybe a Sherpa guide to find the snacks aisle.
Ali, the snacks are always near the checkout. You don't need a Sherpa, just follow your stomach.
Ah, yes, my stomach has excellent GPS. But first, we need the list. Wait. Searches pockets. Ah, found it. Vegetables, milk, eggs, and pizza emergency?
Pizza emergency? Ali, you are calling pizza an emergency again? Last time you said that, we bought 3 frozen pizzas and 2 packs of chocolate.
Exactly! 3 pizzas, 1 chocolate pack per pizza. Strategic planning.
Strategic, huh? I call it chaos disguised as planning.
Okay, let's move to vegetables. Oh no, tomatoes, carrots, capsicum, too many options. My brain hurts.
Ali, just pick firm, fresh ones. Don't squeeze every tomato like it's a stress ball.
But soft tomatoes feel cozy, like a warm hug.
A warm hug that will make your curry taste like mush. Trust me, firm tomatoes only.
Fine, firm tomatoes. These carrots, big or small?
Big. They last longer and are more useful. Small carrots are cute, like pets.
I don't eat pets, so big it is.
Spinach looks fine. Just check for yellow spots.
Yellow spots? Are we shopping or detecting aliens?
Both. Some aliens disguise as spinach. Trust me, I've seen it.
Aliens in the spinach aisle. This supermarket is wild. Hamza, so many milks. UHT, full cream, low fat. My brain is melting.
Full cream for tea. UHT lasts longer if we forget to drink it. Low fat if we are pretending to be healthy.
Full cream. Tea is life. Health is optional.
Tea over health. Your priorities are very clear.
Big eggs, small eggs, fancy eggs. Do they taste different?
Nope. Fancy is just marketing. Look at the date, pick fresh ones.
Farewell, shiny eggs. Your looks fooled me.
Biscuits. How many packs, oh master of emergencies?
3, maybe 5. Okay, 5. Safety first.
5 packs? Ali, are we shopping or preparing for a zombie apocalypse?
Exactly. Biscuits are survival tools. Zombies may attack at any moment.
Now detergent. Liquid or powder?
Liquid for fancy washing, powder for hardcore stains, right?
Exactly. Powder is cheaper, works for everything.
Bananas, apples, oranges, grapes, all of them. Variety is life.
Stop before the cart tips over. 3 types are enough.
Fine. Bananas, apples, oranges. Mission accomplished.
Finally, pizza. Emergency supplies in position.
Ali, you really need to explain what qualifies as an emergency.
A hungry hostel student's emergency is daily, breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Then we're permanently in crisis mode. Mission accomplished. Snacks are priority, but veggies are also present. Very balanced. Balanced in your mind. In reality, snacks are taking over. Balance is subjective. Snacks equals happiness. Okay, survival strategy executed. Let's pay before Ali adds chocolate syrup as a dessert emergency. Strategic dessert placement. Always keep emergency reserves. Yes, yes, we are students. Emergencies happen every day. Next week, repeat, but maybe a bigger cart and a bigger wallet. Or fewer zombie biscuits. Never. Zombies might attack. Hostile life. Full survival mode activated.